The WickerShire Project 2025 off-grid. I had to make a new intro video because it's the new year. We'll come back around onto our solar field. Shed to house conversion tiny home. This is 16 by 40 foot long. That's going to be a double glass French door. There should be a porch out there when it's said and done. Everything will get moved. We didn't have that storage shed. You wouldn't believe it. That thing is full. It's cleared up the yard a ton. We still got some things out here we need to move. But as we build and progress and get this finished up, this yard will get cleaned up even better. It's looking pretty typical for a southern backyard, if you guys understand what that means. That's the southern part of our property. Down across there is where the shaded garden was put in so we can grow food longer without the sun scorching everything. That is my apple tree. The only thing that has survived here. This has all been cleared out, was all the blackberries that just encompassed everything. This big open half-acre field that we'll be farming in next year. We're just getting it prepped. We're terracing that. The big pile that you see out here in the center, we're putting in a pond, 20 foot across, 40 foot long, and 3 to 4 foot deep. I call it the watering hole. We might put fish in here, but we're definitely going to use that as irrigation and hook up the pond pump that we have to irrigate the fields and get our pumpkins, our squash, our watermelons, cucumbers, anything we can think of. We have a massive seed bank. Our chicken sitting and viewing area. That was the melon and vine growth area that was tarped over. It's just too hot here to grow out in the open without a constant drip system. Still got some grow pots. Those are the lima beans. They grow in this heat. They love it. The hotter it is, the better. And here we come back around to the solar. We are 100% run by solar, and we depend on this every day to keep this content coming out to you guys. And our solar system is aging, unfortunately. So our whole battery bank that was custom built from us, from an electric vehicle, the amount of power stored within that is depleting over time. So that battery is 15 years old. And it was in service for quite some time, and we have been using that battery for the last 5 years or so. So it's got some age on it, but it's what we got, and it's what we got to use. As an off-grid content creator, I'm relying on my subs and companies to invest in us. In the comment section below, they give us ideas of topics that they want to talk about and find out about the property and the off-grid lifestyle. For companies, we'll test out your products. Send us anything you think we can use for off-grid. We're pretty honest about everything that works. We could do from when we get it to a 1-year review over time, just to show people how things work and what to expect from that. If you guys got any seeds that are weird and exotic, you can email us on the bio page. Please be a reliable, trustable source. If we know you, send us something. Send us something that you love to grow. We'll test it out and see if we can do that. I need content to be made, so any ideas that you guys have, send them our way. Again, thanks for watching the WickerShire Project Off-Grid, and we'll catch you on the next one.